If you could hand your TradingView account to Claude and let it basically build an entire trading strategy from scratch and do a complete backtest to optimize everything, that is exactly what we're going to be doing today. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your own profitable scalping indicator with Claude here. In my previous video, I already showed you how I made this 15-minute scalping strategy, which is also very profitable. But today, I'm going to go a little bit more in depth about what the possibilities truly are with Claude Code and what you can exactly make here. Because literally, you could make anything you think about here. You could make scalping strategies, you could make custom indicators, you could make real-time analysis, you could do backtesting, all handled automatically. So by the end of this video, you will have a good system how you can actually run it yourself here. And once I build this strategy, I will also give you exclusive access to this indicator I will be building in today's video in my VIP Telegram group here, which you can find in the first link in today's video description. And also by joining that community, you will get access towards certain traders that are very successful, that are sharing trading setups and more AI trading tricks here, which we're all learning right now as well, and basically are sharing over there. So without any further ado, let me jump straight away into this video. First of all, I would recommend you that you're going to be checking out this video I uploaded 2 days ago here, where I basically made a tutorial on how you can connect your Claude Code to TradingView. If you've done that, then you can watch this video, because in this video, I'm not going to explain you how you're going to connect it, but more about how you could make certain strategies. Also in this video, I'm not going to show you the exact prompts I'm going to be using to Claude Code to build this indicator. But basically, the possibilities are endless. You just give it the information, you let Claude think, you let Claude build, and basically anything you can think about, you can make it. But what is very important if you want to be making good indicators, you have to think about a certain a handful of parameters. And parameters are basically key points that the indicator is going to be looking at. For example, you could talk about moving averages. For example, you could talk about the RSI crossing a certain level, or the MACD. All the indicators you can basically think about. So if you do have some more experience with trading yourself, it will also make it much easier. And of course, by the end of this video, you could also just exactly copy my strategy. So let me first of all remove the previous strategy I made here for the 15-minute chart on Bitcoin. And actually, the first indicator I want to build and also optimize is an indicator that will basically help me predict the Bitcoin bull market and bear market tops here. So obviously, one of the things that is very important is like timing the Bitcoin cycles. And if we can be maybe looking back at certain indicators, at certain timings of the market, it could help us to navigate where the Bitcoin bear and bull market top is going to be found. Also in this video, I'm going to be optimizing this strategy, because whenever you tell him to do something, to build something, it is very important also, you're going to let it think even deeper to optimize actually this strategy to make it actually very profitable. So I'm going to be showing you that how I'm going to be doing so. And after this, I will also make a scalping indicator as well, since if you're maybe interested in low time frame scalping, which could be also a very profitable way how you can make money, that's also a way to build a strategy for. So, okay, so it cooked up an indicator for me here. It also basically in Claude Code gave me an entire overview about where we're currently sitting and what we're looking at for certain confirmations in the bull market. But actually, I don't like the indicator yet here. So the next step basically is here. It actually cooked for like 10 minutes. So it does take some time, and I cut this video so it looks very quick, but it does take some time. So no worries about that. But actually, I do like a few other things here, and I wanted to basically do deeper research and look back at the previous cycles where really the bottoms occurred on this indicator and how we could optimize it for the next cycle. So I'm going to give it some more information and let it think for a while to make it an even better indicator now. While it is currently optimizing, I also want to show you, I also created an legenda here on the top right, where it basically gives me a score whether a bottom is very close or a top is very close. Currently, it's like 40 out of 100 that it is a bottom, so it's not like a very strong signal so far. But whenever this signal is going to be very high, it's most likely going to be confluencing to be a bottom. But let's let it cook right now, because I'm going to be making it even better and show you in a second. Well, actually, after cooking for quite a while, it is doing an amazing job. So I also predicted the Bitcoin bull market top using one of the indicators. I integrated that indicator in this indicator as well. And now, of course, you can see at the end of the orange line is usually where the Bitcoin bull market tops tend to be happening. That is, of course, every single cycle the case. And actually for the Bitcoin bear market bottoms, of course, it's very difficult to buy the exact Bitcoin bear market bottom, right? But the best is, in my opinion, to create a range where you want to be accumulating. And for now, for this cycle, it is basically between this blue line and the bottom side of this green box as well. And basically in general in this green box, it's a great time to accumulate. Also on the top right, I made a projected bottom window, and that is basically between now and October 2026 here. So this is all from previous data, and this will continue to update. And of course, you can make this indicator much, much better, but this will, of course, help you if you're maybe not too experienced about Bitcoin to predict basically where approximately the Bitcoin bear market bottom and top is going to be take place here. So that is one of the indicators I just built here. So now I'm actually going to be building the next indicator. And this is, of course, a long-term indicator for Bitcoin to predict bull market tops and bottoms. And I'm actually going to be working in the background on this indicator as well to optimize it even further. And whenever I've done so, I will be sharing this indicator as well in my private Telegram group here, which you can join in the first link in today's video description. But next, I'm going to be also making a scalp trading indicator, because let's say you are a scalp trader, you're maybe a 5-minute order flow trader. I want to be making something for this as well here. And of course, like I said earlier in this video, the possibilities to make things are infinite here, but I'm going to quickly show you how I'm going to be building the 5-minute scalping trading strategy. So I gave the prompt and I'm going to be letting it cook again here. Well, so basically I cooked up a 5-minute trading strategy and I'm going to be backtesting it still here. But since I want to keep this video short and I want to publish it quite soon here, I will be sharing this indicator in my VP Telegram group here. You can find it over there. I'm going to be optimizing it real quickly behind the scenes. I'm going to share the strategy, but basically what I once again want to show on this video here, anything you can think about here, you can literally create with Claude. Literally anything here, from like Bitcoin bear market bottom to tops, scalping trading strategies, or maybe even a guide on how you can do the best DCA here. Like the possibilities are infinite, and I will continue to also integrate this in my daily analysis videos. So actually right now I'm just going to be making some more indicators, optimizing a few here. And what I also want to be saying here about how you can make the best indicators is actually to make them and then keep on improving them with things here. Let Claude also research the backend. Let Claude research basically the returns that you're making from buy and hold or by actually trading it. And this way, it is just going to be making it much, much better. So we'll continue to make more and more videos about Claude, how you can integrate this to your trading, and how you can basically become a better trader yourself here, because I am very much in this deep rabbit hole here of AI trading, and I want to get better and better at it. So I will publish this video right now here. I hope you loved it. If you did so, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, stop at that like button, and see you guys again back tomorrow with another update video. Peace out. Goodbye.